as soon as the war started in Ukraine, I got a message from someone. And the message said, look, do you want to make a difference in the world? And I texted back, of course, that's what Hope Makers Collective is about. And they said, okay, let's go to the border and help refugees. This was just days after the war had started. And I was like, oh, wow, this person isn't kidding. Like, that's the real deal. And I showed my wife that, and she said, I'll go. I was like, what? She says, I'm going. So then we both made airplane tickets to go. I ended up staying back for family and some other reasons. She ended up going. And then another person from the group joined them later, to the point where now we're building enough room for 40 people to have permanent housing who are refugees. Right? It's just one example of something that's happened out of Hope Makers Collective. Now, all of that came out of a failure, right? Came out of a failure. And so, I mean, I didn't intend for this, but maybe the lesson is, out of all of our failures, good things happen. Because, those people stole from me, and here's a failure, and all of a sudden there's this group, and then you just don't know if you just stay on the journey and keep going. So
that's the key right there. The key is that don't ever get off the bus. Just keep